Hello friends, today we are going to see about the lethargic attitude of Britain when it tried to divide India and Pakistan. British India was considered as one single country with one single heart, and Britain's decision to split British India into India and Pakistan was a hurried up activity which led into death of 2 million people, 5 major wars between India and Pakistan. At the end of World War II, Britain's debt to India was really huge, and Britain wanted to get rid of its colonial power. The decision was made to declare India as an independent country, but there was a rival faction between the Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Muslim League wanted to split British India into India and Pakistan, whereas the Indian National Congress wanted it to be a single country. There were several rounds of negotiation and there was no concrete answer which could be reached between both the parties. After the end of World War II, Britain sent its Admiral Lord Mountbatten to settle up this situation. Lord Mountbatten was connected to the royal family in Britain and was able to exert his influence on both the Muslim League and the Indian National Congress. Mountbatten, on his arrival, was asked the question when India is going to be independent. With his mind reeling back a few years, the date which came to his mind was the date when Japan signed its surrender, which was 15th of August. So he said simply it's 15th of August 1947, which is 10 months before the actual plan. Now Lord Mountbatten, who sat with Indian National Congress and Muslim League, came to a conclusion that India can be independent only with a split. So he called upon Sir Cyril Ratcliffe, a British lawyer, to draw a line which can separate India and Pakistan. Ratcliffe was never been to India and he does not know the religious sentiments which prevailed in the border. And he came in August 1947, which meant he effectively had only 2 weeks to decide on the border. Ratcliffe sat down to draw the line, but he had an outdated map and also an outdated population report on the area. Lord Mountbatten made it clear that regions which has a Hindu or Sikh majority should be given to India, and regions which has a Muslim majority should be given to Pakistan. But still, there was pressure on Ratcliffe on certain topic. For example, one Pakistan representative asked Ratcliffe if Darjeeling can be part of Pakistan so that he can go and visit it during his summer vacation. Mountbatten put pressure on Ratcliffe to give the district of Murshidabad in Bengal to India so that India can access the northeastern states, and also the state of Gurdaspur so that India can access Jammu and Kashmir. After the line was drawn, somebody pointed out to Ratcliffe that all the major cities are given to India and Pakistan is left out with small towns. So Ratcliffe decided to give Lahore, the Sikh capital, to Pakistan. This caused an outrage in the Sikh community, which is already facing a problem that many of their Gurudwaras are now in Pakistan. The map was drawn on August of 12, 1947 and given to Lord Mountbatten. It was sleeping under his desk for the next 5 days. Ratcliffe was approached by Gandhi, who insisted the line is going to kill millions of people. Ratcliffe, with a heavy heart, left for London, and he rejected the £3,000 salary which he was supposed to receive for this job. The partition was announced on 17th of August, just 2 days after independence, and caused a huge chaos in the border. 2 million people were killed while transitioning from India to Pakistan and from Pakistan to India, and also 14 million people displaced. To bring the situation under control, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi and Mountbatten rushed to the border, but it was vain. The carnage was already set, and people were looting villages and killing people in thousands. The line is still a hot issue between India and Pakistan. And as for Radcliffe, he became a lord in Britain, though he regretted his job of drawing the line. The death which happens to the line will recite his name for ages. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to